lovely Gemini. Welcome to yearly forecast for the year 2021. Let me look into your reading and see what is the sign of Aquarius getting. Wow. You get the Three of Pentacles, you get the Justice. What else do we have for Aquarius? You have the Three of Wands and the Knight of Cups energy. I feel like I need to put it this way. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Empress and you have the Four of Swords energy. I'm going to take that a little later. I do my own spread, guys, so you might find it a little different from what you've seen before. But in the meanwhile, could you please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon for me. You get notified when I come here and post a video for you. So with the Three of Pentacles energy, I feel like Aquarians, you have been working on something for some time now. It could be a project. You have a lot of ideas in your head, but it feels like somewhere you could be feeling a little scattered. You may be wanting to balance yourself. I feel like with the card of the Justice, there's Libra energy very strongly present around you. You could be dealing with a Libra, or there's someone who's coming towards you and they are a Libra. But I feel like you are going to pull your ideas from the 5D to the 3D plane here in the year 2021. You are also going to be offering your cup. You're a little apprehensive about offering your cup or your heart to someone in the year 2021. This has got more to do with your experiences or you wanting to go forward in life, wanting to experience abundance and a lot of success. With the Three of Wands, I feel like you're waiting for your ships to come in. These cards are pre-shuffled, so I'm not going to take much time. We already have a few of these here. You get the card of balance, yet again Justice and Libra energy. There's the card of renewal. I think Libra just got this. The card of the Star. You have the card of Queen of Earth and you have the card of the Empress. Aquarians, I feel like you are healing at a fast pace from whatever it was you were dealing with in the past, in the year 2021. Because after March this year, in the year 2021, you are definitely experiencing a lot more balance and renewal of energies. So, with the card of the Star, this is your energy in your own reading. The card of the Star is the Aquarian energy. I feel like there are definitely more happier times ahead for you here, and you are going to make long term plans also. You are on the right path. You may feel like at times there are delays coming towards you, or things have been delayed, results have been delayed, but things are moving here for you. You are definitely moving in a new direction. With the Queen of Earth energy and the card of the Empress, I feel like after the first half of the year 2021, your ideas, your creative ideas are paying you really rich rewards. And with the card of the Empress, I feel like you could be, some of you Aquarians could be creating a name for yourself. If you've been working, you could become suddenly well known, or you could shoot to fame here in the year 21. You have a lot of creative talent, a lot of creative ideas coming into your mind, and that's why I said, with in the beginning of the reading, I see you pulling down your ideas from the 5D to the 3D plane in the year 2021. There's lavish abundance meant for you here. Some of you Aquarians could even be either moving your house or building new house for yourself, but you're going to pay a lot of attention to how it is you are feeling. There are two cards here in the deck, and they are the card of the Empress. I'm like, I have two Empress here in your reading. So one is from the Rider-Waite, one is from the Angels cards deck, and with this energy being so strong, it is telling me that you are going to step into your power in the year 2021. And again, with the Empress, I feel like the Venus things, everything that's related to Venus in your horoscope, please just go and look up your astrological chart. Where is Venus placed in your chart? That's going to be highlighted a lot, and that you are going to experience a lot of popularity. You'll be very attractive. you'll get a lot of attention also. And this is not all, you're getting a lot of financial success along with that. This is the Libra and the Taurus energy again. You could be dealing with a Taurus, you could be dealing with a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. You could be dealing with your own sign, Aquarius. Let me go forward and draw you some cards from this deck, from the fortune deck. There may be some messages for you. There are quite a few messages for you. I'm going to take just one from here. You get the card of death here, and definitely this is a time of transformation for you, and you are transiting into a different reality. I feel like, Aquarians, whatever this was that has been keeping you in your head for a long time or feeling a little lost, this is going to settle in. You are being asked to meditate. You get the card of the world. With the card of the world, I feel like you are going to have to be open to new ideas and new possibilities in all areas of your life, because there are going to be people, situations, opportunities, that something that you did not plan about, something you were not aware about, something you did not think about. And a lot of your Aquarians may even be traveling to different countries or making those long-term plans of traveling come to fruition in the year 2021. Let's see what the spirit has to say, what the oracle has to say for you. What messages do you have for Aquarians in the year 2021, please? We have a card. You get the card of dissipating. I feel like old, worn out energy is dissipating from your life and you are ready to move into a new direction for sure. I feel like this is a renewal of your solar plexus chakra as well, where you keep all those old thoughts and memories that are no longer serving your purpose tied up. You're releasing all that, and because you're ready to move on, you're doing all those things to yourself or for yourself. For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius. For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius. Wow, you have two cards again. You get the card of vanity, you get the card of creation. I feel like, Aquarians, you are going to be so popular, so well known, you're going to be so admired, and you're going to receive a lot of attention that may bring you into a position of being a little, you know, feeling proud about yourself. But the spirit is telling you be grounded, because that's going to show your vibe attracts your tribe. So the kind of energy you're exuding is the kind of people you're going to attract in your life. And with the card of creation, you get the you actually have a lot of creative energy here with the Queen of Earth, with two cards of the Empress here. You have a lot of renewal or creative energy here. You are very fertile. Your mind is very fertile here in the year 2021. And I wonder why I said you are fertile. For a lot of you Aquarians, I feel like there are strong chances of you or your partner conceiving. So in case you don't want to go for that, you might want to watch out what you need to do. And I also feel like yeah, you're definitely extending family here. I see a lot of you getting gifts and sending out gifts too in the year 2021. You're being very generous here, Aquarians. Send me one too, please. I would love to receive. Nah. Do comment and let me know how you feel year 21 is going to um, feel how you're sensing the energy of year 21 for yourself. I'm feeling a lot of good vibes for you here. For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius, I get the card of first light and taking shelter. Everything you have been looking for is going to come to you in the divine timing, and all the answers are within you, Aquarians. So all the time you felt lost in your mind, know that those have been your guidances. So when you ground and meditate yourself, you are going to be able to understand these divine guidances coming to you. And with the card of first light, you get the beginning of a new cycle. So like I said, this year is beginning on a brand new note for you and bringing in beautiful new energies. You also get the card of beginning a new cycle. So how many more different ways is the spirit going to look and tell you that you are in for some pleasant surprise? And this looks more than pleasant. Let me draw you some messages from the crystals. I'm hearing the word charm. You could be very, very charming here in the year 2021. And I'm sure with the card of Empress appearing here, you will be. I'm also seeing brooks, rivers, streams, water bodies. You could be wanting to go near water bodies or have something to do with water bodies here, Aquarians. I see a lot of your Aquarians traveling, flying for sure, and water body could be traveling by water as well or taking that cruise. Some of your parents could be getting messages. Wow. So I'm seeing birds, I'm seeing maple leaves, and I'm seeing, I don't know what, if you're listening to this message in the autumn or this is going to come to fruition in the month of autumn for you, in the autumn season. But I'm also sensing a lot of mother energy, motherly, feminine energy for you. You could be meeting your mother, you could be sending her gifts, talking to them, connecting with them. If your relationship has been sour, you could be rekindling that, but a lot of feminine and motherly energy is here for you in your support and your relationships working out with them. So that's what I have for you for the year 2021, Aquarius. Please do comment and let me know if you'd like a free reading from me. Just comment, type yes, and I'll get back to you. And wishing you all a lot of love, luck, and success and prosperity in the year 2021. Until we meet again, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to the channel for sure. I'm going to return with more good news for you.